Today I'm going to show you how to replace the Mercedes GLC220 diesel 2020. Yeah, here's the battery, CR2032 battery. First thing first, release the mechanical key. Press the button here halfway down to release the key. If you press all the way down, you slide the cover up like that. Okay, the battery is in there. You see, pull the pocket out. Pull the pocket out. Yeah, the pocket out here. Pull it out. Okay, here's the battery. Yep, CR2032 battery. Okay, the plus sign to replace it. Yeah, the plus sign go down like that. Yeah, go in like that. Okay, go in like that. Turn around here, slide in. Yeah, slide in like that. Okay, slide in like that. Okay, put the cover back on. Yeah, you see here, you just push it in. Okay, now put the key on. Yep, that's it. It's very simple, isn't it? Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.